Hi everyone, I'm Kim Goyette and I'm so glad you're joining me for yoga today. The idea of gratitude is not just a temporary thing, only for the holidays. It is a lifestyle. Living in gratitude is taking a look around you and absorbing and appreciating everything that you receive in abundance. This is an abundant world. There is plenty for everyone, and we receive so many gifts on a day-to-day basis. And so this class is all about developing appreciation and gratitude for all the incredible things in our lives. So let's get started.
Yoga for everybody with Meditation Mother.
So we're going to start in a comfortable seat. You can sit cross-legged, legs extended, even lying down if that feels good for you. And we'll gently close the eyes. We're going to take the next few moments to just visualize all the abundance in our lives. Maybe it's the little things like taking a hot shower and feeling the water run over your skin. Maybe it's the opportunity to have a nice warm drink in the morning. Maybe it's connection with loved ones, friends, and family, a roof over your head, quality food and clean water, connection with nature, peace in your home, all these incredible things that we often forget that surround us and help to elevate our lives. Let's just take a moment and find maybe 3 or 4 things that you are grateful for. And noticing the feeling in your body, on your skin, in your mind, that energy of gratitude, the highest vibrational state. We'll take a nice breath in, bringing that energy into our heart. And exhaling. Good. Bring our hands to heart center. Bow the mind to the heart and set an intention to weave gratitude into this practice. And gently open the eyes, release the hands. So we're going to do some heart openers to really open ourselves up to receiving all the abundance of the universe, all these gifts that are provided on a daily basis. So let's take a nice inhale here, arms sweep up. Exhale, palms face down. Good, do it again, inhale. Good, exhale. Let's inhale, receiving all the abundance of the universe. Pause for a moment at the top, really absorbing that energy down into your hands, arms, into the heart, the entire body filling up with a high vibrational state. And then exhale, bringing the hands all the way down. Rolling the shoulders back a little bit. Good. Let's plant the hands out in front of us, fingertips point down. And we're going to inhale, arms sweep up overhead. Exhale, elbows nice and wide. Open up the heart. Good. Notice your shoulder blades coming together. Inhale, back up. And then exhale, palms face down. We're going to do that a few more times, just opening up the shoulder-chest connection. Inhale up. Exhale. Good. Inhale up. And then exhale down. We're going to add that feeling of gratitude with us. So inhale, absorbing all the energy of the universe. Exhale, bringing that gratitude down into our heart. Take a deep breath here, planting that seed right at the center of our heart. Inhale, back up. Exhale, down. Good, let's do that a few more times. Inhale, receiving all the energies of the universe. Exhale, open up to gratitude. Good. Inhale, receive that right at your heart center. Good. Exhale. Inhale back up and exhale down. Good. 2 more times on your own. You can close the eyes, visualizing the receiving, and then the total appreciation for all the amazing things you have in your life. Inhale back up and exhale down. Let's try it one more time. Inhale. Exhale, elbows wide. Good, receiving. Inhale and exhale, release all the way down. Very good. Let's separate our hands out a little bit wider, and you can always adjust the width of your hands as we do this next exercise. Same thing, we're opening up the chest-shoulder connection as we receive all the abundance of the universe, showing pure gratitude as we flow through this. So inhaling up, receiving, bring the hands back behind you at an angle that works for your shoulders and fingertips down behind your body. Good, inhale back up and exhale, nice wide hands. Let's do that a few more times. Inhale, receive, so grateful. Exhale, bring the hands back behind. Feel that heart opener. Take a deep breath here. Exhale. Good, inhale back up. Exhale, arms down. Let's do that a few more times. Inhale, receiving. And as we exhale and open up the arms, feeling that pure gratitude within the body at the highest vibrational state. Inhale, arms up, and exhale, release. Let's do that one more time. Inhale, arms up, receiving, and then allowing the arms to open up out to the side. Deep inhale into the heart center. Good. And then exhale, arms up, and release it down. Very good. Rolling the shoulders back. Let's have the arms straight out to the side now. Palms face forward, thumbs are up, and we're going to drag the hands open. Good. Feel that resistance across the heart and see if you can unravel that a little bit with a few breaths. Good. Reaching the fingertips in opposite directions. Take a deep breath into your heart center. You have so much to be grateful for. Deep breath in and exhale. Good, do it again. Inhale and exhale. Release the hands all the way down. Notice any movement, maybe some warmth or tingling in the body. Just noticing that high vibrational state. Roll the shoulders back, releasing any tension in the neck. Good. And we're going to take the left hand, bring it to the right knee, reach back behind us, look over the back shoulder, just wring it out a little bit. Good. Come back to center. And then opposite direction. Right hand to left knee, looking over the back shoulder. And coming back to center. Let's make our way onto hands and knees. And we're going to keep the knees directly underneath the hips, but walk the hands really wide out to the top of the mat. So nice wide V so that you have plenty of room for your shoulders. You can bring your forehead down to the earth or onto a blanket or a block and allow the hands to be as wide as you need to. Keep the hips right over the knees, and we're just gonna take a moment to honor, to soften our heart, to show reverence for all the beauty in our lives, the little things and the big things. Our relationships, our safety, access to resources. Just feel the full support of the earth underneath you and really ground your shins, the top of the feet, into the earth. Let your heart sink more. Relax the elbows down. Take a few more breaths here. Really surrendering into the space of gratitude. one more deep breath into the armpits. Exhale out the mouth. Slide your hands underneath you and come to hands and knees. Good. We're going to take the left arm straight up towards the sky and then weave it underneath the right armpit. Come to the outer edge of your left ear. Plant your right hand down. Good. Move your hips back a little bit. Lift your low belly and then just really ground down. Sink towards the earth. Allow your shoulder to open. Good. Take a moment here. And then coming back to hands and knees, let's take the opposite hand, right arm up, weave it underneath the armpit and come to the outer edge of the right ear, plant your left hand. Good, move the hips back a little bit and just sink towards the earth, feeling fully supported. And then coming back to hands and knees. And we're going to move into a posture that may be challenging for some people. You can always put a pillow or a blanket underneath your knees, behind your knees as we sit back towards our heels. If this isn't attainable, don't worry. You can, again, always support yourself with a cushion or a blanket. So if it feels good for you, you can walk your hands up into a pose of reverence. So we're having our palms face down. And then just closing the eyes, relaxing the shoulders away from the ears. And just taking a moment here, really feeling grounded with your shins, with the weight of your body. And then allowing the breath to rise your body up, to elevate towards the sky and allow that vibrational state to rise within the body. Sitting here for a moment, again, just recalling some things that you are grateful for. Maybe it's something tangible. Maybe it's a relationship, a feeling, an opportunity. Just pausing for a moment and just showing gratitude here. And noticing how your body responds when it is surrounded with gratitude, when you're living in gratitude. What does your body and mind feel like? Good. Gently open the eyes. We'll make our way back to hands and knees and then come to a cross-legged position one more time. We'll take the fingertips out to the side, take your right arm straight up to the sky, bend the left elbow, take it over, and then shine your heart up towards the sky. Look underneath your armpit. Take a deep breath here, expand the lungs, even breathing. Our ability to breathe is such an incredible miracle. Just allowing that vitality to come into your body. And then release all the way down. Just this simple posture and then just noticing the high vibrational state that you feel when you show appreciation. Let's take the left arm up and take it over to the side. Shine your heart up towards the sky, looking underneath the armpit, and again, expand the lungs and the ribs. Good, and take it all the way down. Roll the shoulders back. We're going to finish this practice with a little visualization and breath work. So we'll bring the hands to heart center. I'll show you the movement first and then I'll show you the visualization. So we're going to inhale for 2, open up the arms. Inhale for 2, arms overhead, and then we'll exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. So we're going to ride on the breath and the movement as we visualize inhaling for 2, opening up to pure abundance and gratitude. And then inhale for 2, arms overhead and receiving. And then exhale, pure appreciation, pulling down right to the center of your heart and planting it there. Good. Inhale for 2, open up to abundance. Inhale for 2, pure gratitude and pulling that grateful energy down into the center of your heart. 2, 1, close the eyes. Inhale for 2, open up the arms. Inhale for 2, arms overhead. Exhale, draw that gratitude into your heart. 2 and 1. Inhale 2, open up the arms. Inhale 2, arms overhead. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 2, open up. Inhale 2, arms overhead. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 2, open up. Inhale 2, arms overhead. Exhale 4, 3. Let's do 2 more on your own, really moving that energy. Last 4, 3, 2, and 1. And just pausing for a moment, bow the mind to the heart and just feel that energy of gratitude vibrating through your entire body. And just setting an intention to slow down and pause and notice all the abundance in your life. It's the law of the universe. The more we have gratitude, the more that comes to us. And so living in this high vibrational state will bring pure abundance into our world. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I am so grateful for you and for you sharing your practice with me. I'm Kim Goyette, your meditation mother, and if you like this video and you want to be the first to receive weekly videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Yoga with Meditation Mother. And if you want to learn about yoga retreats happening all around the world, please check out my website at www.meditationmutha.com. Thanks so much. See you next time.